So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-reactivate ng ating Facebook page. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And kung to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video is ituturo ko sa inyo yung pinaka-easiest way kung paano nga ba i-reactivate ang ating Facebook page. So dito guys, makikita nyo din yung mga Facebook page na nagawa ninyo gamit ang inyong Facebook profile. So open lang natin guys yung ating Facebook account or yung Facebook app. So make sure na updated din yung inyong Facebook app na gagamitin. So dito guys, sa pinakang newsfeed, itap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal lines or yung menu ng ating Facebook. So katulad nito. So para ganito guys yung lumabas. So ito yung pinakang menu ng ating Facebook account. So hanapin nyo lang guys yung pages. So, pag hindi nyo nakita, i-see more nyo lang and hanapin nyo yung pages sa part na to. So, ito yon, tap natin yung pages. And ayan guys, dito lalabas na yung mga pages na minamanage natin and yung mga pages na naka-deactivate din. So, kung makikita nyo guys, ito is yung pages na naka-active ko ngayon and itong nasa baba is yung mga naka-deactivate pages. So, ang gagawin nyo kung gusto nyo i-activate itong page na to or i-activate, tap nyo lang guys yung activate. And ayan guys, activating this page will make it visible to the public. People will be able to like this page and share posts. So, kapag daw na-activate natin or inactivate natin yung ating Facebook page, magiging visible na ulit siya sa public or sa ating audience. So, lahat ng nakashare post dito sa page na to is makikita nila visible. So, tap natin guys yung activate page para ma-activate na natin. And ayan guys, your page has been reactivated. So, ibig sabihin guys, visible na ulit yung ating Facebook page and searchable na ulit siya across Facebook. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-reactivate ng ating Facebook page. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.